What will be the sum of all interior angles of a convex polygon which has the following sides? So we have to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon with the side 6 and with the side 9. Solution will be, we know that the sum of interior angles of a polygon having n side is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the number of sides. So this is the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree to find the sum of interior angles. So now n is equal to 6. It is given. We write it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula. Value of n is 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So it is 4 into 180 degree, which is equal to 720 degree. This is the answer. This is the sum of interior angles. This is the answer. Now, the other polygon has a side of 9. So now n is equal to 9. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with sides 9 will be equal to 9 minus 2 into 180 degree. It is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7 into 180 degree, which is equal to 1260 degrees. This is the sum of the angle. It is our answer.